Hi guys, so today be a new day. I just got my eyebrows done.
I don't really like them.
Now I'm about to go to Sonic because I'm hungry, and then I have to get my lashes done, and I'm gonna Uber to get my lashes done. So anyways guys, I'm going to check back in with you all when I get in the Uber, and then we'll go from there. Hey guys, so I'm about to go to my lash appointment. I wanted to give you guys a quick OOTD because like I haven't done one of those probably ever. So this top is from Fashion Nova, and it comes with a matching cropped hoodie, but I just tied it around. It also came with matching pants, like sweatpants, but it's too hot. So I have my little Walmart biker shorts on, and I have on my Adidas that I got from Ross, I believe. And my socks are Adidas. Hi guys.
Hello.
So Lavon is going to be doing my lashes today. I'm getting hybrid, long, and wispy.
Yep.
So let's do it. Hey guys, so I'm back from getting my lashes done. This is what they're looking like. They're really fresh, so I'm waiting for them to kind of like drop and do like that wispy thing, you know. But I love them. Thank you so much, Lavon. Definitely check her out if you want to get lashes done. She's the best. She's the best. So anyways, I just changed my hoodie. Cause I had like Fashion Nova hoodie that I had on. It just was like not really fitting right. I don't know if y'all could tell. You probably could. But anyways, we're about to make some tacos. I'm saying we're, like he's gonna help me. But I'm gonna make some tacos. And I need to do these dishes. Let me see what's in here. Motherfucker. So this kit includes 12 street taco flour tortillas, mild carne asada seasoning mix. I butchered that. Medium creamy chipotle sauce, which I don't like. So I went out my way and I got salsa verde from the store. It says mild. I should have got fucking hot. Damn. How did I get mild? Uh-oh, I'm sorry. Finished the tacos and this is how they turned out. Pretty good. I like a lot of cilantro on mine. My mom is calling me. So hey guys, so just checking in. Ate the tacos, changed again, and now I'm pretty much ready for bed. Tomorrow I have a facial and a sauna appointment. I get my sauna at 11:30. I get in the sauna at 11:30, and I have my facial. And I have my facial. Let me check my Google Calendar because I don't be knowing. My facial is at 1:30. I get to just soak. I'm scared though because I'm scared my glue. Because I just used Got2b to put my wig down and I didn't like glue it down with glue. So I'm scared it's gonna start lifting, but excuse me. This is a glueless wig anyway, so I'm not like really pressed. So, but yeah. And then I have a nail and pedicure appointment at 2. So we got some shit to do. I've been slacking, I've been under a rock, and it's just time to start taking care, baby girl. Hey guys, so today is the next day. I didn't do the sauna this morning because of COVID. I'm kind of like not okay with that right now. It's raining, I don't have my glasses, and I suck at driving. Yeah, I'm like excited about this facial and stuff, but at the same time I just want to be home because it's like rainy and it's nasty out. But I'm gonna try to make the best of it because I don't really get facials super often, so it is what it is. But I'm gonna go ahead and jump off of here and check back in with you guys when we get to the spa. Okay? Okay. So we are in the spa. Here's the shower. And another shower. I'm gonna go ahead and change and see if I can. Hey guys, so I'm back from all my appointments for today. If I didn't mention already, I got a facial and my feet and nails done. But let me show you guys my nails. So these are my nails. It's the French ombre, and I got the coffin shape. I wanted short nails and I didn't feel like sitting for French tip, like regular French tip, so I was like, just airbrush them bitches and let's go. So that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is my first time doing like a maintenance vlog. Trying to get into vlogging because I love watching vlogs and I feel like y'all would like them too, but let's just see, because my first vlog isn't doing so great, so but I'm not gonna give up. So yeah, so anyways guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.